Alright, so we got a 96 Toyota Corolla. So yeah, 96 Corolla with a 1.87 AFE, Misfire. Pull some codes real quick. What I've noticed moving it, I started it up and for about 3 seconds it ran smooth, and then all of a sudden whoa. Let's pull code just to maybe make our lives easier, but it's got a distributor system, so what I'm probably going to do is get secondary on all four, because that's very easily with the sparkly wires. It's not a previous vehicle. So keys on. Toyota. Manual. 96 Corolla 1.8. See what kind of codes we got. Check engine light. Smooth? Running smooth? Running smooth? Check engine light. And I can feel it coming. Huh. Automatic. Still running smooth. Still running smooth. Misfire cylinder 1. P0301. It's getting a little rough. It's not as rough as it was when I was moving it right now. If I put it in gear maybe? Oh yeah. Put it in drive. Yeah. So I'll do a relative compression first, just because it is kind of a hard misfire, and that's my process usually. Alright, so Pico, we're gonna be using this today. Sensei's off. High amp clamp. They don't make it easy on this one. Can't really go around all the positive or all the negative. Starter's back there. Okay, I just go around the cable at the starter. Not ideal, but we do it. So turn it on to 2000. Put it on there. And I'll get a secondary sync. Which cylinder 1 is what I would usually sync onto. And it's a misfire, so hopefully I can get a bad waveform out of that too. So we ready.
I wonder if you guys can see the screen right now. I don't really have any sun glare. Close it. Open fresh. So A is my high amp clamp, 2000 amps, and we'll bring that down to 500 because I don't need the peak, I just need the relative compression, and I want that as big as possible. Bigger the amplitude, the easier it is to see. And then secondary probe, inverted, colored lead, blue. They have black ones. All right, so 100 millisecond, 1 microsecond. But if I up this to 500, then this goes up to 5 microseconds. Then we up the sample rate to 5 megasamples. Now it's back down to 1. You want that at 1. All right, so trigger, single. Put it on, yeah, high amp clamp channel. That over here to the first division. 43 amps, that's fine. So let's disable circuit opening relay. I want to disable the fuel. Huh. I think I'm just gonna have to unplug injectors, unfortunately. Very gently. We do the next easiest step. What's up, dude? All right, man. How about you? Should have took the day off. Yeah, take the day off, bro. Tell Reese you're not feeling well. All right, so injector's unplugged. Solus in the sunlight. So let's crank it. Sounds good. And looks good. So I did, yeah, cut off the peak, that's fine. And if anything, I could have went to 200 and got a good amplitude. Let's go. It's a 4-cylinder. One. This is a little zoomed in. Where's my sync? Oh, there we go. So let's go one cycle. Here's cylinder one, cylinder one. So let's say the firing order is probably 1, 4, 3, 2. They're all good, relatively. So moving on. Plug the injectors back. What I'll do now is secondary on all 4. Let me zoom in on this. I don't see a problem on the secondary yet, but that was just cranking. Alright, so this. Don't need high amp clamp anymore. Move this over. Yeah. So it's a distributor system. I'm wondering, bad plug, bad wire. I doubt it's a bad injector, but it could be. Compression's good. Hell yeah. PT loser, baby. Alright, secondary. Alright. Yeah. What the hell is going on blue? Oh, I gotta invert everything. Blue was on a high amp clamp probe. So, color secondary invert, 27K. Invert, 27. Invert. Alright, now let's go. Three looks dead. There we go. It's not a heavy misfire. I'm having a hard time with blue. The green, I mean. Alright, there we go. Okay. That's not good. So what I see is the amplitude of the firing lines, how tall they are. They're, let's say, 5 kV or so. Blue, 6.6. Let's go red is on top. And it's changing. It's 7.1, 7.9, 5.6, 8. But then what happens right here, when everything goes together, I snap the throttle. See green right here? Then it grows, right? So yeah, green right here, small, blue small, red small, yellow small. And then right here, where I snap the throttle and everything goes together faster, everything grows. Red grows, green grows, yellow grows, because cylinder compression grows. If you snap the throttle, idle running compression is probably 70, 60. When you snap the throttle, it goes up to 250 or so, 300 I've seen. So this blue, when it doesn't do that, that tells me the spark, either there's a compression problem or the spark's happening outside the cylinder. And if I had to guess, that's what's happening. Because yeah, like if I zoom in, you get a nice spark line. There's activity on red. Zoom in on any of the blues. There's a spark line of some sort, but it's the kV of the spark line is way low. So yeah, boom, boom, tiny guy. Look at all that hash activity in the spark lines because of the snap throttle. There's a lot of turbulence, and then blue is nothing. So this blue spark is happening maybe right there on that hose clamp. I guess now would be a good way to do it. I'm gonna save this. Good one to do with the test light, kind of wave it around, give it a path of easier resistance. Secondary, snap throttle, cylinder 1, no change. Camry 1.8. P0301 secondary snap. So hopefully we can get pretty quick here. Make sure I'm ready with Tesla. Or maybe it's happening in the spark plug well. Spark plug hole, so I can't see it yet. Never, if you're gonna check spark with a test light, don't go to battery ground. Go to a known good ground. Like this engine hook. So not coming out of here. Oh, there you go. Burning on the valve cover bolt. So let's see it. Might be it. Ah, damn tray. I saved that. I can move this. Yep, there it is. Look at that. Got a bad spark plug wire. Welcome to the light show. There's no way you guys are missing this. Oh, is it 2 spots? Yeah. Look, it's over here. And if I go over here, it's over here. This is cool. I'm gonna put it in my hand and make sure I can look at the viewfinder and make sure I'm getting that. So arcing over here, on this side, and that side. So if I hold it closer to over here, and if I go over here, is it 3 spots? No. There we go. That was a good one. Live. Let's take a peek at it. So yeah, right there is one. That little guy. I don't remember where it was on the other side. I'm gonna put a little paint marker just so I know which is which. Mark that one, silver. Okay, silver is on the belt side. Right there. That's silver right there. And then the one on this side is that's silver right there. And the one on this side is like completely, oh, you know what it is? Okay, I see it. It's on the seam. It was on this seam right here. Right there. Right there or right there? Right there. Done. Need spark plug wires and a tune. Well, well, well. What do we have here? No good Kevins. Not today, dude. We rolled Denso for a reason, baby. And the plug doesn't look too bad, but see how there's a little white on the other ones? A little oil and little leanness. This one's all black. It's unburnt fuel. Wish the focus worked better on this thing. Yeah, I think you can see a difference between those two right there. The left one is cylinder 1. Denso, baby. So loaded up the old file before idle snap. So we'll do that again. Go live. Turn the car on. Engine on. Nice new Denso wires and plugs. Already right there. During cranking compression, blue spiked up to above 17 kV where it was stuck low before, and now doing plugs and wires, I bet you all of the other cylinders, the kV demand at idle decreased. So let's go idle live. I'm gonna snap it. You can see in there blue did grow. You can see that right there. So we're smaller, we're bigger, we're as big as the red now, and they kind of come down pretty quickly. But you can see the difference. Idle, small, snap throttle, big. That's a fix. Diagnostic Dennis out.